In the heart of England's picturesque countryside, where rolling hills meet ancient tales and whispered legends, lies a place shrouded in mystery. This unassuming destination has witnessed centuries of dark secrets that have left a mark on the land itself and on the souls of those who dare to explore its depths. Join me today on a journey that delves into the past, that unravels the truth regarding the witch trials, and that ventures into the unknown. Are you ready to brave the history and hauntings of Pendle Hill? Pendle Hill, an imposing presence in the heart of Lancashire, England, stands as a testament to nature's grandeur. Its sweeping vistas, lush landscapes, and rugged beauty have made it a magnet for hikers, nature enthusiasts, and history aficionados alike. However, beyond its rolling hills and captivating panoramas, Pendle Hill is a place where history, folklore, and tales of the paranormal converge. This enigmatic site holds a world where the past, the supernatural, and the natural intermingle, inviting those who venture upon its slopes to embark on a journey of exploration into the mysteries that have shrouded it for centuries. Pendle Hill's history is a tapestry woven with threads of human habitation stretching back thousands of years, and archaeological evidence suggests that it has been the site of human activity since the Bronze Age, serving as a witness to the passage of time. In the annals of Lancashire's history, Pendle Hill gained notoriety during the Pendle witch trials of 1612. 12 individuals from nearby towns were accused of practicing witchcraft and subsequently faced trials that left an indelible mark on the region. This dark chapter in Pendle Hill's history still reverberates into the present, and many believe that the spirits of those accused linger, whispering their stories to those who are attuned to the ethereal. Both visitors and hikers on Pendle Hill have reported encounters with ethereal figures, ghostly apparitions that appear to flit amongst the rock and heather-covered slopes, and these shadowy specters are often shrouded in an air of mystery and melancholy, leaving an eerie impression on those who witness them. Notably, some claim to have seen figures resembling those accused during the witch trials, as if the spirits of the Pendle witches themselves still traverse the land they once knew. Pendle Hill is said to carry the whispers of centuries on the winds that sweep across its peaks, and both hikers and locals alike have recounted hearing faint and inexplicable voices carried by the breeze, as if the very hills were narrating their own history. These spectral murmurings add to an enigmatic atmosphere that envelops the site, evoking a sense of timelessness and a connection to the past. Legends also tell of a cursed cauldron hidden somewhere amidst Pendle Hill's rugged terrain. This eerie relic is believed to be a vessel of dark magic and said to hold supernatural powers. Incidentally, discovering this cauldron is thought to bring either great fortune or dreadful misfortune to those who stumble upon it, and while its exact location remains a mystery, the tale of the witch's cauldron adds a layer of intrigue to the hill's mystique, as it hints at the remnants of ancient practices. The spirits of the Pendle witches, those accused and executed during the infamous trials, are believed to continue their eternal journey on Pendle Hill. These restless souls are said to traverse the hillsides, seeking solace and retribution, and some have claimed to hear their voices on the wind, whispering secrets that have been guarded for centuries, while others tell of encounters with spectral figures that bear the unmistakable mark of those accused of witchcraft, their presence a testament to the enduring legacy of the dreaded trials. Nestled deep within the hillside, a hidden well is rumored to be the source of paranormal activity on Pendle Hill. Local legends suggest that the waters in this well are cursed, bearing residual energy of the trials, and it's believed that those who drink from it may experience strange visions, unsettling dreams, or even glimpses of the past, forging a connection between the present and the tumultuous history of the site. Surrounding Pendle Hill are dense woodlands that conceal secrets of their own. Some hikers here have reported eerie encounters within the woods, from shadowy figures that seem to materialize amongst the trees to inexplicable cold spots that linger even on the warmest days. Additionally, forgotten and unmarked graves scatter the area, a somber reminder of the trials and tribulations faced by those who lived here centuries past, and some believe that associated restless souls contribute to the paranormal activity that blankets the region. Pendle Hill, with its timeless landscapes, storied history, and captivating mysteries, carries an undeniable aura of enigma and the supernatural. And whether one ascends its heights to savor the breathtaking views, delve into the legends of witches and curses, to listen for the whispered secrets carried on Lancashire winds, or to explore the haunted woods and forgotten graves, the site remains a place where history, folklore, and the spectral meld in a harmonious tapestry. For Pendle Hill extends an invitation to all who venture upon its slopes, urging them to unravel the intricate and captivating mysteries that have shrouded it for generations, while forging a profound connection between the present and the past that still lingers amongst its ancient stones and heather-clad moorlands. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of Pendle Hill. If you enjoyed hearing my histories and ghost stories, subscribe to my channel, like this upload, and share me with anyone you feel could use a good scare. I'll catch you next time.